CJ Production.
Who is Albert Einstein? I know he was a philosopher, a scientist.
Who is Einstein?
What did he do? Who was Einstein?
He was
A man? But that doesn't help. Who is Albert Einstein? They say he's the father of modern physics. But who is he? A Nobel Peace Prize? For? Albert Einstein had three major accomplishments in his life. The first is energy. Albert Einstein finally discovered the mathematical relationship between mass and energy to make the famed equation E equals mc squared. Moving on to gravity. Albert Einstein took Newton's law of gravity and came up with general relativity, which is observed gravitational attraction between masses resulting from warping of time and space. And lastly, we have space and time. Albert Einstein's ideas have gotten men into space and expanded the physics world beyond any other man. Today, we're going to talk about Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity. In 1905, Albert Einstein came up with this mind-boggling idea about the relativity of time. Before this genius of a man came along, time was always constant no matter what the speed. Special relativity was Albert's groundbreaking theory that opened the possibility of time travel, like in the Twilight Zone.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Now, time travel is a little far-fetched, but this proven theory shows how it's possible to slow down time while traveling at exponential speeds.
in 1971. Two men. Joseph C. Haffel. Richard E. Keating. Challenge time. As we know it.
This theory was proven by Joe and Richard by taking 4 atomic clocks and setting the time equal to each other. 2 of the 4 clocks were put on airplanes and flown around the world, one heading east while the other travels west. When the planes landed, the clocks were compared with their partner that sat at rest on Earth. The plane that traveled western, or with the Earth's rotation, lost time, while the eastern plane lost slightly more time. This experiment proved that time is in the direct correlation to the object's velocity compared to the speed of light. Concern for man and his fate must always form the chief interest of technical endeavors. Never forget this in the midst of your diagrams and equations.